Okay, just take a deep breath. What qualities should a true leader possess, especially in today's generation? Again, what qualities should a true leader possess, especially in today's generation?
Good morning, everyone. According to the study of philosophy, it is really important that a leader is someone who embodies the philosophia, the love of wisdom. And according to Article 11, Section 1, public office is a public trust. Public officers and employees must be at all times be accountable, service people with utmost integrity, honesty, loyalty, and efficiency. And according to nation building, the function of leader is to guide the society and to lead the society. And according to me, from all of this information that I have read, the best things that a leader should embody is to be a DLC. He should be someone who is a dreamer. He dreams for a society that is no longer unheard, unseen, or undervalued. He lived other as he lived himself. And of course, it is really important for us to have connections. Because once we're able to have connections, then we can be able to have the consensus collaboration and the solidarity to move forward as one Arroyas or one Dreamweavers in South Cotabato. Just like our South Cotabato hymn says, lahat tayo'y magkaisa sa himig at sa ginawa para sa bayan ng South Cotabato. To all the young leaders out there, let us be functional, rational, ethical, so that we can ensure that we can move forward into a consensus, striving, and progressive, brighter tomorrow for South Cotabato. Thank you.